Rasayan-Vajikaran Kit for men's sexual health. World of Herbals Ayurvedic Health Kit for men's health. World of Herbals Ayurvedic Kit for male sexual health has combination of various precious herbs which are known to be highly effective in improving sexual health of individuals. This kit is derived by our team of expert qualified Ayurvedic doctors, and clinically we have seen phenomenal results in many cases. This kit is enriched with natural herbs and minerals. Main constituents are Siddha Makardwaj, Safed Mushli, Akarkara, Shilajit, Ashwagandha, Swarnbang, Quanch Bij, Shatavari and many herbs and natural minerals. These herbs are very powerful aphrodisiac, improves low libido, weak erection and premature ejaculation. These Rasayana and Vajikaran herbs are very effective in male factor infertility as well. You can order Rasayan-Vajikaran Ayurvedic Kit by visiting our website www.worldofherbals.com and www.AYUR-SUDHA.com, or WhatsApp at +919 8030 39369, +919 8033 56060. Price of 1 month kit is $220 United States dollars including postage all over the world.